Hello everyone, how are you? In today's video, we will talk about how to post view the options right there. Also in your single post right there. It is like when a user come to your website and it will count the availability of your users on your post. So you can see on my home page, there is no any post view option right there. But there is another screen with the post view option there like this. And eye icon is appearing here with the views count. And also you can see in the single post option, this is the single post option. Also there is no any post view option here, but I'm sharing another screen here with the post view option here. You can see this is a single post and the post view option is appearing here. So how we can do this in our WordPress website? So we will discuss about this after a short intro, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Siddharth and you are watching Segment. So as you can see on my screen, I am in the admin panel of my WordPress website. So there we will need a plugin which is WP Post Views. So let's install that. So firstly you have to go on plugin section and add new button is appearing here. So just simply click on it. A search option is appearing here on the right of top. So simply type here WP Post Views. So you can see this plugin, this is with iImage here. So you have to download only this plugin which is available with iImage. So simply install it. I already installed it. After that you will need a PHP code. Don't worry, I will share the link of that file in my description. So simply copy that code. Here is the code. I'm just copying it. And appearance option is here. Let's go to theme editor. Firstly we have to find the meta tag option. So for that we will open our website. So let's find the meta tag here. So this is the meta tag of the specific post. So firstly click on inspect option. In the inspect option, just hover on the meta tag here. Just hover it and we will find the meta tag here. This is the meta tag, meta post, meta entry. Okay, this is the overall meta tag here. So just copy this meta tag and check it out in our theme editor option. So this will available in the content option. This is the content option and content option. This will be different in your website, so you have to check the specific files for your meta tag options. I already found that file. I will press the Ctrl F button for the search option. So simply I will paste the option here and press the enter. So this will show me the meta tag here. So simply copy this code and paste below your meta tag, just only the below of meta tag like this. So just paste here. Okay, I already pasted. So now update this file. You can see this file is successfully edited. Now let's refresh the page. This is our main page. Let's check it out what the differences have made. So you can see this option is coming here, the I button and views coming here. So when we open a specific post here, so you can see this is also coming here, but we have to do this manually. So for that you have to go on the content single option here. So this is the home page option and this is the single post option in my theme. This will be different in your theme, so you have to find that. So we have to find the meta tag also for this specific post. We will do the same process here. Just hover on it. So copy this meta tag and we will find here Ctrl F and Ctrl V, paste and enter. So this is here. So simple copy that code, copy and paste the below on the meta tag. Okay, I paste it and just simple update the file. So you can see file edited successfully. So this will also come on your website. So after seeing this video, you can successfully do this on your own websites. If you will find any error on your website, then come on this video and comment below. I will help you to sort your errors. And if you are new to this channel, press the subscribe button and also press the bell for our latest videos. That's all in today's video. Now we meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye, tata, see you soon.